To write the formula for aluminum carbonate, we go to the periodic table and we see aluminum, the element symbol is Al, and then carbonate, we won't find that on the periodic table. It's a polyatomic ion. We can tell it ends in ATE. So we need to look this up on a table of common polyatomic ions. When we do, we find that carbonate is CO3 2-. Aluminum is a metal, and then the carbonate, that's a nonmetal. So we have an ionic compound, and we need to take into account the charge on the element here and then on this ion. So aluminum has a charge of 3+, and we said that the carbonate is 2-. So the total charge on the ion, the net charge, needs to add up to 0 for this to be a neutral compound. And aluminum carbonate, that's a neutral compound. So right now it doesn't, and we can fix that by changing the subscripts here to get it to balance. We'll use something called the Criss Cross method. We'll take the 2 from the carbonate ion, move it down here, and from the aluminum, we'll move the 3 over here. We'll get rid of the charges up here. And because we have this 3 outside, that means we have 3 carbonate ions. We need to put parentheses around the carbonate. And that's the formula for aluminum carbonate. But let's check our work, make sure we got this right. We said aluminum, that was 3+, and the carbonate ion was 2-. So we have 3 of these carbonate ions, and each one's 2-. 3 times 2-, that's 6- for the ionic charge on the carbonates here. Aluminum, we have 2 of them, each one's 3+. 2 times 3+ is 6+. So 6+ and 6-, they cancel out, give us a net charge of 0. So this is the correct formula for aluminum carbonate. Let's clean it up one last time. And that's it, the formula for aluminum carbonate. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.